Today I'm gonna tell you about one of the troubleshooting and the problems that's gonna happen with the dipstick usually, and that dipstick is when you turn it on right here and you click like 5 times, it goes on. Um, you see that one of the problem that going on, it's not going on. Okay, well it's 5 clicks and that thing will light up. Okay, now once we put the coil in here, that it glows, which is good. Okay, but in case that coil it does not glow, what could be the problem? The problem, it could be right here. You could take that off the coil and then unscrew this piece right here, and sometimes it start flashing like blue, start flashing, and every time you hit it, it start flashing blue, and that's because of this piece right here. It could be two different problems though. One of the problem is this piece right here. You see that it should be separated with that plastic O-ring right here. This is the positive part that is connected to the positive, and this is the negative. So what you're gonna separate them with is this plastic piece right here, and this one goes back in here like that. Okay, now we're gonna put it back in here and attach it, and just when we screw that thing in here, we're gonna make sure that it's not too tight, because if it's too tight, it's gonna press against that plastic rubber thing in there, and it's gonna make the two pieces touches together, which is the positive and the negative, and that will make it shorted, and it's gonna be start blinking blue. Like every time you click it, it's gonna start blinking blue. That's one of the main problems in here. Then you put your coil back in here. Now when you put that in here, just to screw it snug and tight. Don't screw it too hard, okay? And put that back in here, and that should make it working. Okay, one is the other problem that work, that sometimes you could actually, it happens right in here. And if you look inside here, I don't know if you could see it on the cameras, but if you look inside it, then there's a wire, a little wire coming in here. And that wire, sometimes if it's touching the sides, that also could be shorted the battery. So all what you do is you get like a screwdriver or something and move that wire inside a little bit to the middle, and then you put it back in here, and that would just make it work. You could always shop with us and buy the dipstick at www.herbwaxvaporizer.com, and we always have fast and free shipping.